Hey, what's up guys, this is Dipesh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a website in a couple of minutes without having any coding knowledge, without any knowledge of domains and hosting. If you just want to start your website without any of this, then this video is for you guys. And before we proceed, I just want to tell you that lots of you guys were asking me that how they can create their website without having any coding knowledge. I already made so many videos on web hosting and domain related things, but I haven't made a single video about a website building. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your website and start your website, and you can also start making money from this website. So watch this video till end and let's move on to our computer screen.
So first of all, you have to go to the link in the description, and once you are there you will be redirected in this page. This is Zyro.com, and with the help of this website you can create any website in couple of minutes. So first of all, let me show you the features of Zyro.com, then I'll show you how you can start building your website. With the help of Zyro.com, you can create a website in few minutes. You can also add your domains and you can host your website. Now before proceed, let me tell you, if you apply coupon code DIPESH Dipesh, you will get 30% off on all yearly plans. Now let's talk about Zyro. Here in Zyro you will have lots of template. You can get template related to companies, you can get template related to products, you can get template related to foods, you can get template related to music and lots of other things. And you can view this template and you can also edit them. You can also view this template in desktop mode, tablet mode and mobile mode. You can also edit this template from any device. You can edit the template from PC, you can edit template from a mobile or tablet also. Zyro also offers domains for you. If you just want to buy a new domain, you can go for the Zyro and buy domains from them. Or if you already have domain and you want to use your existing domain with Zyro, you can also do that. Or if you don't want to buy any domain, you just want to start your website, then Zyro also offers free domains. Zyro offers three kinds of plan. The first one is free, then basic, then unlimited plan. Then if you are just a beginner in this field, you can go for the free plan and start using your website. You no need to enter credit card or any other information for free plan. And if you are a heavy user, then you can go for the basic or unleashed plan. The only difference between basic and unleashed plan is bandwidth and storage. In basic plan you will have a 10 GB of bandwidth and 10 GB of storage, but in unleashed plan you will have a unlimited bandwidth and unlimited storage. The rest of the thing is same. Now let's talk about few features of Zyro. With the help of Zyro, you can connect to your existing domain, or you can also buy your domain, and you can also have a 10 GB of storage and 10 GB of bandwidth plan, or you can also go for the unlimited one. But in free plan there is some limitation, and you can also remove ads with the Zyro. If you go for the free plan, Zyro puts some ads in your free plan, so you can also go for the premium plan. You can have a Google Tag Manager, 99.9% uptime, SSL certificate. If you don't know what is SSL certificate, then Google it. It is very important for your website. You will have a website SEO, which will optimize your website for the search engines. And then you will also have Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel integration, Messenger Live Chat, AI Writer. Zyro's AI Writer will help you to create a particular dedicated paragraph for you, which will help you to create a paragraph for your website. You will have a 24/7 customer support, and their customer support is very nice. They always respond in time, and you can also chat to them, and you can also contact them on social media like Twitter or Google Plus or anywhere else. And you will have a fully customization in every plan. You will have a 1 million plus free quality images. You will have a mobile optimized website. Their website load fast with every device like mobile, laptop, in PC. You will also have a logo maker for your website. If you just want to start a website, you obviously need a logo, so you can create your logo, and you can also create a slogan for your website. Now let me show you how you can create your website with Zyro. The first thing you need to do, you need to sign up with Zyro, and you have to create your account. And just sign up with Zyro. You can also log in with the Facebook or Google, or you can also log in with your own email ID. So once you create an account with Zyro, you can start creating your website. The first thing you need to do, you need to choose your template. Zyro offers so many different kinds of template, but for this video I'm just going to choose this one. You can just preview them before starting, or you can directly start building. Now for this video, I'm just going to choose this template and start building. Now here you can see that you will be in editor mode, and from here you can literally change anything you want. You can change your text, you can change paragraph, you can change the background images, you can use your own images for the background or the images. You can also use the stock images from the Zyro. Now before publishing your website, you can create logo with the help of Zyro itself, and you can also create slogan for your website with the help of Zyro slogan generator. You can also use the Zyro AI writer to create a paragraph for you, and all these features for the free itself. And if you just want to change any images, you can choose images from the Zyro itself. All these images are free, and you can also upload your own images. You can also choose the background color for instead of images, and you can do literally all kinds of customization. So once you're done with all the customization, you can view your website before publishing in desktop mode and mobile mode, and you can also edit this website in mobile mode itself. So once you're done with the editing, you can just click on preview site or publish site. Now if you want to provide some extra functionality, you can also go for the integration, and you can add integration from the Zyro. Here in integration, you can add your favorite apps, like you can add Google Analytics, you can add Hotjar and Facebook Messenger and so many other things. So once you're done with the integration part, you can just simply click on publish site, and once you click on publish site, it will ask you to connect your domain. You can connect your existing domain, or you can buy a new domain, or you can also use a free domain from Zyro. You can use any domain from the Zyro. You just have to type your domain followed by .zyrosite.com. Once you're done with that, just click on continue, and it will start publishing your website, and your website will live in few seconds. So once you're done with that, here you can visit your website and you can check your website. Now your website will live in few minutes. So once your website is live, you can visit your website and you can check your website. And if you just use free plan, then Zyro put some ads on your website like this one, but you can upgrade your site if you want. You can also upgrade plan of your website. You can go for the basic or unlist plan. You just have to choose plan, and then here you have to just make payment accordingly. And you can also apply coupon DIPESH to get 30% off on all the plans. And once you're done with all this thing, you will be move on to your premium plan. Zyro also accept all kinds of credit and debit card. They also accept PayPal, so no need to worry about the payment method. So you can easily upgrade your website, and you can enjoy the premium feature of your website. So in this way, you can create a website with a Zyro, and here in Zyro, you no need to worry about the hosting, no need to worry about the domains, you no need to worry about the coding part of your website. You can just simply choose a template, choose your domain, and you can choose your hosting, and that's it. Your website will live in few seconds. Don't forget to apply coupon code DIPESH to get 30% off on all yearly plans. Apply this coupon while purchasing your plan. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notification of all of future videos. And if you haven't followed me in my social media, then you can follow me in my social media from the link in the description. And this is the best sign out. Meet you soon in next video.